Ready to unlock the secrets to turning your website into a money-making machine. First, let's talk advertising. Display ads through Google AdSense or Mediavine and earn revenue based on views and clicks. Simply sign up with an advertising network, integrate their code onto your site, and watch the income roll in. Next up, affiliate marketing. Partner with businesses and promote their products or services on your website. Include unique affiliate links in your content and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Consider selling your own products directly from your website. Whether physical goods or digital downloads, an e-commerce store can be highly profitable. Set up a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, list your items, and start processing transactions directly. Another option is offering services. If you have a particular skill or expertise, use your website to showcase your services and attract clients. Offer consultations, freelance writing, design services, or anything else you're good at, and allow clients to book appointments or request quotes through your site. Experiment with different monetization strategies, track your results, and optimize your approach for maximum income. Don't forget to subscribe for more website tips and tricks.